What have I done? My brother's blood cries out from the ground. I can't silence it. Would you have chosen differently if you were me? I am Cain, firstborn of Adam and Eve, the one who should have carried the blessing of our family. But my brother Abel, he had something I couldn't bear. God's favor. We both brought offerings to the Lord. I offered the fruit of my toil. He offered the firstborn of his flock, and God looked on him with delight. But me, he turned away. Do you know what it feels like when your best is never enough?
Cain, why are you angry? If you do what is right, will you not be accepted? But if not, sin is crouching at your door. Its desire is for you, but you must master it.
I said, "Brother, come, let's go out into the field." He trusted me. Why wouldn't he? He had no reason to fear me. I thought I would feel free, but instead, I felt a darkness heavier than chains.
Cain, where is your brother Abel?
I don't know. Am I my brother's keeper?
Your brother's blood cries out to me from the ground. Cursed are you. The earth will no longer yield for you. You will be a restless wanderer.
My punishment is more than I can bear. Whoever finds me will kill me.
No, I will put a mark on you. No one who finds you will harm you.
I was the firstborn, the one who could have carried hope. Instead, I carried envy, and it carried me into ruin. Tell me, if you had been in my place, rejected, overlooked, burning with jealousy, would you have resisted or fallen like me?
Cain's story warns us. Envy destroys, sin consumes, but God still extends mercy. How do you guard your heart when bitterness comes knocking? Subscribe for more biblical stories brought to life.